My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake survey alerts related to the site Waupheresurvey.space. Waupheresurvey.space is a malicious site. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It actually displays fake survey alerts that try to make users click on the Allow button, supposedly to help them verify that they are humans and not robots, or for some other reasons. But also, these pop-ups display fake survey alerts that try to make users share their personal details, name, surname, email address, and other information. If you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, you need to fix your browser urgently. So access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So remove these junk sites in case you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of all these malicious sites in case you detect them here. One by one, carefully get rid of all of them. I would also recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then after the program is successfully installed, start carefully investigating your system with its help to detect and remove other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.